Welcome back to CAVC TV. I'm Sharon James, Deputy Principal at Cardiff and Vale College. And this week I'll be giving you the usual coronavirus update, and we'll be giving you some top tips on coping with worries and anxieties. Cases of coronavirus are continuing to increase across Cardiff, the Vale and South Wales. There are now local lockdowns across much of South Wales, with the Vale of Glamorgan being the latest to be added to the list at the beginning of the week. Staff and students from all areas in lockdowns are still able to travel and to attend college, as long as you or someone you live with do not have any symptoms or you've been asked to self-isolate. What you're being asked to do is very difficult. A big part of coming to college is to meet new people and to make the most of new and exciting opportunities. And we know you might not be getting that full CAVC experience right now. Many of you may also be feeling worried, anxious, or a little lower than usual, whether it's about coming onto campus, learning online, or generally not being able to live the way you usually do. You may not even know the exact reason. Just know that as a college, we're here for you. We are committed to keeping you learning whatever happens and to ensure that you are okay. We have a dedicated team of friendly people who want to make you feel supported, safe and happy during your time at college.
Anxiety is a feeling of unease, such as worry or fear. It's our body's natural response to a stressful situation. It's perfectly normal and can happen to anyone at any time. It may be linked to college, work, or something in your own personal life, and sometimes you just may not know why you feel this way. It's what we do when we are anxious that can make a difference. I'm Sarah Jane Bailey, part of the wellbeing team at CAVC, and I'm going to give you some quick tips and techniques that could help if you're feeling anxious. Breathe. It sounds simple, but just take a step back and concentrate on your breathing, trying to lengthen and deepen your out-breath. Identify your safe space, somewhere you can go to either be alone or where others make you feel secure. Play some music that helps you feel calm. You can make a playlist of songs that make you calmer. Smell something nice that stimulates your senses. Look at or watch something that reminds you of a happy or better time. Or talk to us. If you're feeling anxious and would like to talk to someone, then we can help you. It doesn't have to be about college. The wellbeing officers and counsellors can talk to you and help you manage your feelings. We offer appointments face-to-face or remotely. You can ask your tutor to refer you, message us or email us at Learner Feel Safe Team, or request a callback on a phone or video. To find out more, go to the student portal or the app. Click on Wellbeing. Here you can contact the wellbeing team or link to other helpful organisations, apps or websites.
There's lots of information on the student portal. This includes guides to learning on campus and learning online, as well as heaps of information about all the services and opportunities on offer to you as a student at CAVC. Make sure you find some time to have a good look through so you know what's there for you. And that's it for this week. You can watch all previous episodes of CAVC TV on the portal. So stay safe and look after yourself.